5 Air Jordan 1s that will skyrocket in 2023. Let's go. Jordan 1 Lost and Found giveaway. All you guys need to do is smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, leave a comment. Let me know your size in the Jordan 1 Lost and Found. Make sure you guys subscribe to Affordable Shoe Review. His link is down below in the description. And then DM me proof over on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Send me proof over on Instagram that you guys did everything. Good luck. This giveaway does end on December 5th. I'll be posting the winner, so make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of Lost and Found Air Jordan 1s. And please make sure you guys subscribe for free sneaker giveaways. Sole Premise makes sneaker bags designed to store your sneakers safely and securely when you're traveling. As you guys can see, I have 5 to 6 pairs of sneakers inside of my backpack. There's also room on the bottom of the bag for another pair of sneakers as well. I also have room for my clothes, laptop, charger, a ton of space in this Sole Premise bag. Sole Premise also makes duffel bags, luggage bags, all different types of bags, all different colors. Be sure to click my link down below in the description. Check out solepremise.com and use my promo code DannyMoore at checkout for 40% off the entire website. It is the holiday season, so make sure you guys get your loved ones a Sole Premise bag. Trust me, if they're a sneakerhead, they will love these sneaker bags. They're great quality, and they're great prices. Make sure you guys click the link down below in the description. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring today's video. We're gonna start things off with a fire pair of Air Jordan 1s, a very wearable pair of Air Jordan 1s, the Air Jordan 1 Stage Haze Bleach Coral. This Air Jordan 1 is very wearable. Look at the colorway, look at the color blocking. It's an everyday shoe, it's an everyday wear. This sneaker is so clean on feet. There's nothing not to like. You got black, you got a little bit of gray, you got white. It's very clean. Almost that panda type vibe to it. It's very, very dope. And market is going for a little bit over retail at low 200s. I do think potentially here we could see them go up to maybe touching $280 to $300 in 2023. People are wearing the Stage Haze Jordan 1s. And I think the Stage Haze is one of the sleeper pairs of Jordan 1s this year. People wanted them, but there wasn't too much chatter of them after release. So now that things have settled down, I do think that these do have room to improve in 2023 due to the wearability factor, and these were actually one of the most wearable Air Jordan 1s that's released all year long. This next Air Jordan 1 is one of the best Air Jordan 1s to release in probably the last 5 years. The Air Jordan 1 Mocha. I know this is an older release, but the reason I'm including them in this video is because I think prices will go up more. They're already at $500. I think they could touch $600. I think prices may go up in 2023. As the Mochas get older, prices will go up. This sneaker is going to be 3 years old coming up in 2023, which is crazy how time goes by. But the market is very high. Demand is high. And I think it'll go up higher in 2023. We'll see. They're already expensive, but I think potentially could go up a little bit more. We'll see what happens with these, but I had to include them in this video because, like I said, if you ask me, it's one of the most hyped, one of the most sought after Air Jordan 1s to release in basically the last 5 years. And when I say that, I mean general releases. I'm not talking about your collabs or off-whites or anything like that. I'm talking about just general release Jordan 1s. These are definitely up there for the last handful of years, and I expect prices potentially could go up even more. The market is low on this next Air Jordan 1, and in fact, if you ask me, I think it's too low. I think it's inevitable that these will go up in price. It's a matter of when, not if, but when these go up in price. The Air Jordan 1 Taxi. They have potential to go up in 2023. Market is a little bit over retail. You can basically get them for retail plus tax plus shipping. So if you ask me, market could potentially go up. We might see them go up to 250, 280. Hey, could they touch 300 in 2023? We'll see, but I do think maybe a little price increase. Nothing drastic, but a little price increase maybe on the taxis for 2023 because of the color blocking. When you look at any other Air Jordan 1 with this color blocking, where you have the same color on the toe as the back heel, you got the black and the white in the middle, or Air Jordan 1 High OG, I think they're pretty much all expensive. So they do have potential to go up. It's just a matter of when they go up. 2023, hey, we could see a little price increase potentially on the taxis, in my opinion. It's a clean sneaker. It's a wearable sneaker. Quality is great. It's one of the best Jordan 1s, if you ask me, that's released all year long. One of the best. So, hey, it's a great colorway. It's a great sneaker. They made a lot of pairs, but it's a great Air Jordan 1. Don't sleep on the taxis too heavily. I think it's a great Jordan 1. The Travis Scott Jordan 1 Low Black Phantom releases on December 15th. Next year in 2023, we are getting the Jordan 1 Low Olive. That olive pair is fire. These Jordan 1s apparently are the last Travis Scott Jordan 1s we will be getting, which means, in my opinion, prices of older Travis Scotts could go up, such as the Reverse Mocha, maybe the Fragment, maybe the OGs. We'll see some Jordan 1s, potentially some Travis Scott Jordan 1s go up in price as time goes on, because if it's true that these last two releases are it for Travis Scott and Jordan 1, that's it. Prices can only go up. And I'm expecting the Black Phantom to be actually the cheapest Travis Scott Jordan 1s we've gotten so far on the resale market. So if that's true, maybe they might be a good hold. We'll see if it's actually true, whether we get more Travis Scott Jordan 1s. I do think maybe we'll see some older pairs go up, and the Reverse Mocha being one of those pairs, because this pair was one of the most hype Air Jordan 1s to release this year, and one of the most hyped sneaker releases of all year. So, hey, don't sleep. Don't forget on the Travis. Hey, make sure you guys cop them before it's too late, because the prices could go up if it's true that there's no more Travis Scott Jordan 1s. This is the best Air Jordan 1 to release all year long, and potentially sneaker of the year, the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found. They're going to be a good hold. That's it. That's all I need to say. They're going to be a good hold. It's the Chicago Air Jordan 1. Lost and Found. Crazy details. Crazy story. People want them. The shoes so hype and in demand. It's that simple. I think the Lost and Founds are going to be a good hold. 2023, they're going up. Grade School is low at low 200s. They should touch $300. Men's pairs are going for around low 450 right now, which is crazy. Touching mid 400s. They potentially could go up. Could they touch 500? We'll see. But I definitely think the Lost and Found is going to be a good hold nonetheless. One of the best sneaker releases all year. Don't sleep on the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Found. Make sure you guys get into my free giveaway for a pair of Lost and Founds. Like this video. Make sure you guys subscribe. Subscribe to Affordable Shoe Review. His link is down below in the description. Send me proof on Instagram that you guys subscribe to the channels. And make sure you guys stay tuned. Continue watching my channel for free sneaker giveaways and sneaker giveaway updates. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.